Hi guys, today we are going to Shillong. We are wearing this casual outfit. So we'll go now in Khanapara bus stand to get our sumo. So watch my vlog guys. Hello guys. Hi bolo. We have booked our hotel and now we are going for our destination, that is Polo Orchid Resort. So let's go. Take some cash. After taking out some cash, now we have booked one taxi which costs 500 per person and we are heading towards Polo Orchid Resort. After some time, our driver stopped nearby some fruit shop and now we are going to buy some fruits here. What you bought?
One piece 50.
From name?
One piece 50 rupees.
My god, it's very costly.
Expensive. And kilo is 500.
Kilo is 500. And I bought some grapes. 100 rupees. After a few hours, we have reached our destination. And this is the breathtaking scenery of Polo Orchid Resort. What's your name?
Jan, get a chocolate.
Say hi.
Hi.
You're doing survey?
Yes,
For what?
for our school.
Oh, okay. Guys, they're doing survey here. The small ones.
Why?
The boys were so cute, so one of my friends took picture of them.
ये 7 sisters से काफी से गिने तुम लोग
Guys, we're waiting for Bhaiya, the driver, and he's late, so we're eating chips here. So now we are back to our car and now we are heading towards Police Bazaar. Guys, now we are going to eat street foods with my friends. After eating chow mein, now we are going to eat one chicken leg piece, which costs around 80 rupees per piece. तुमने क्या लिया है? गिटार निकाल के रखो।
इसको रात भर बजेगा।
इसको इसने खरीदा कॉमनेम ने। रात भर बजाएगा। Where are we going?
We are heading towards
Resort
resort.
and krangsuri. Yeah,
Okay, I'm super excited.
yeah, she's very excited. Guys, now we're going to resort and waterfall. So let's go. We have booked a taxi from PB. So I'll show you the view. Guys, we are on the way to Krangsuri. The road is a little bit long, so we are on the way. And my friends are coming. Wow. हाँ, swimming. यहाँ से देख सकेगा. We can see the view from here also. We have reached Krangsuri and we'll pay the entry fee here now. What's नहीं देना पड़ेगा क्या? So we are collecting 50 per person. And now we're going to give them. Oh, yeah, to sell. You have to be very careful, guys, because it's very dangerous here. And you can see the view of Krangsuri waterfall, and there you can see the slide view of rainbow there. It's very pretty. Guys, we have came to Miniso nearby our hotel. So let's see what we get. And here you can find a Kasi Imperial shop where you will get all kinds of stuff. Now we will go to a restaurant nearby the police bazaar for our dinner. Hello guys. We came here for packing. Let's see what we'll order. They are discussing what to pack for our dinner.